Abahlabimkhosi bathi kunengo okukhulunywa ngenzeki naziza eqiniseni amandla okuvikelwa kwabahlabimkhosi.
The pace is very slow. During his evidence at the State Capture Commission, the state president did allude to the protection of whistleblowers. Since then, what has been done to protect the whistleblowers? Babita Diakaran had to lose her life. We have pledged, we have requested that it not just be a talk shop, that something be done. It is not within our hands. We are the people that have had to suffer.
Bakwamukele nokuvula kweziko lokulwa nobukhohlakali.
We further believe that such an agency should be independent and impartial and subject only to its mandate, the law of this land and the Constitution. Thus, we concur with Acting Chief Justice Zondo. We believe that this agency should have a division called the Office of the Whistleblower.
Abahlabimkhosi baphakamisa bona kwenziwa amachuguluko abonakalako emthethweni wezokuvikelwa kwelwazi, i-Protected Disclosure Act, ekubalwa hlangana ukulilisa, ukwethulwa kwehelo elinabileko lalapho umuntu omhlabimkhosi angasakhona ilwazi. Nangabe konke lokho akwenzeki, abahlabimkhosi bathi bazokudanela ekhotho